Hello friends, a very good evening to all. Through this video we are going to discuss one more engineering recruitment notification. As you can see here on the screen, Electronics Corporation of India Limited ECIL is going to recruit assistant engineers in various engineering disciplines. So through this video we will be discussing that specific recruitment notification. Before we begin, I would like to inform all of you that if you are watching our videos for the first time and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any upcoming engineering recruitment updates. So friends, as you can see here on the screen, post is for project engineer and total number of vacancies 12, and the various engineering streams are mechanical, EIE, EEE, ECE, etc. And qualification is in engineering degree and 3 years of post qualification experience. So together with a bachelor's degree in engineering, 3 years post qualification experience is also required. And friends, as you can see, age limitation is 30 years as on 30th April 2021. And if you belong to reserved categories like SC, ST, then you will get relaxation of 5 years. For OBC, relaxation of 3 years, and for person with disabilities, that is PWD candidates, relaxation of 10 years is permissible as per government norms, and consolidated monthly remuneration of 40,000 will be provided. If you look at the next post, friends, that is assistant project engineer in, and disciplines are exactly the same like project engineer, that is ECE, EEE, EIE and mechanical. Total number of vacancies 8. Qualification is engineering diploma, and together with engineering diploma 3 years post qualification experience is also required. And friends, for this post age limitation is 25 years as on 30th of April 2021, and age relaxation is permissible as per government norms, as I have already mentioned, and consolidated monthly remuneration of 30,000 per month will be paid. So friends, if you would like to see the other informations regarding this recruitment, like how the candidate selection procedure will be done, the selection will be based on the performance in the interview for project assistant. So it will be based on interview, so no written exam will be taken, and same thing is applicable to written test and trade test performance for assistant project engineer. So for project engineer only interview will be taken, but for assistant project engineer together with interview written test also will be taken. So if you would like to get each and every information regarding this recruitment notification, then you have to go through this particular link. This link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following that particular link, you can access the same. And if you would like to get the PDF copy of this recruitment notification, you can avail this PDF copy from our Telegram channel. If you have not yet joined our Telegram channel, then you can follow a link which is available in the description box. By following the link, you can also join our Telegram channel, and from our Telegram channel you can get each and every recruitment notification official PDF copy every day. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any upcoming updates. Thank you.